Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off charging sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. If you put your phone into charger, there will be a small sound. Listen here. I am connecting my phone with my charger here, and while putting there is a sound. Okay, listen carefully now. Listen here. So if you would like to turn off this charging sound, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system sound, and here just turn off button against charging. Okay, just turn off this button, and now connect your charger to your phone. There is no sound. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off charging sound in your phone. Suppose if you would like to get your sound, again you have to go to the same settings. If you would like to keep the charging sound, go to the same settings and go to sounds and vibration, and click on system system sound, then turn on this button. So in this way you can easily turn off or turn on charging sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.